Hello everyone, welcome to the Lean with YP, our YouTube channel. I am Yogesh, a TPS certified supplier Yamba leader trained by the Toyota Kirloskar Motor. In this channel, I will share the practical knowledge and training on the lean manufacturing tools used in the modern factories. So, let's start. So, we are going to learn in this video that is the origin of a 5S, then what exactly a 5S, then what is the need of a 5S, then what are the steps are involved in a 5S, and what are the benefits we are getting after implementation of a 5S system in our workplace. So coming to the origin of a 5S, the 5S methodology is originated in the Japan. 5S system invented by the Sakichi Toyoda and son Kichiro Toyota as well as the Toyota engineer Taichi Ohono, who developed the 5S methodology. The 5S system first implemented in the Toyota Motor Corporation, Japan. Now coming to what is the 5S. The 5S concept is a systematic method or a tool adopted in the workplace to improve the safety, quality and productivity to create a better workplace environment. This system is reducing the waste in the processes and improve the operational parameters in the system. So 5S is the method to arrange the required tools, materials in the systematic order by providing a specific location for each item and eliminate which things are not required from the workplace. So this is the definition of a 5S. So after the implementation, the 5S system is help us to make our work easier, to ensure the safety at a workplace, to ensure the quality of a product, to improve the productivity, to save the cost by reducing the waste at a workplace, to improve the morale of people at a workplace, and to improve the motivation of our team members. So first of all, we will see how this system works. Then we will also see in the last what are the benefits you are getting from this 5S system. So what is the need of a 5S? See, the 5S system used in the many companies to improve the safety, quality and productivity on the shop floor. But the need of 5S is to identify the problem at a workplace. So these are some common problems or abnormalities are found on any type of company or any type of the workplace. Now you can see in the first photograph, the person is doing the welding activity, but he is not using his PPE, he is not using his goggle. So it is a very unsafe condition for us. This is unsafe. Second photo, you can see there is oil spillage. So this is also unsafe condition. Anyone can fall or sleep from this in this area. Third one is the oil drum cap is open, so the foreign particles are inserted into the drum, and this is very dangerous for the machine. And next one, this is a wiring channel cover is missing, and this wire joint without the taping. These are the lot of abnormalities. These are some examples we have tried to show here. What are the common abnormalities are available in each and every workplace. So the need of 5S is to identify the problem at a workplace. So let's see what are the 5S. The system is called as a 5S system because it is consists of 5 steps, and those all steps are start from the S. Now see, I have shown here, this is the type of S: 1S, 2S, 3S, 4S, 5S, and these are the Japanese words, and we have translated this Japanese word into the English word. So 1S is nothing but the Siri, it is called as a sorting out. Second one is a sit on, means set in order, it is also called as a systematic arrangement. Third one is a Shiso, it is called as a shine. Fourth one is a Shiketsu, it is nothing but the standardize. And fifth one is the Shitsuke, it is nothing but the self-discipline. These are the 5 steps are involved in the 5S to implement in any factory or any area. So let us see what are the one by one. Yes, we will go. So what is the 1S? As we see, 1S is nothing but the sort out. So remove from the workplace what you do not need and keep what you need. So what to do exactly in the 1S? So let's see. First of all, sorting out the necessary and unnecessary items from your workplace. Then keep only required item at your workplace. Third one is throw away unnecessary items which are not in use in the future. And last one is put item into the storage in case they are not required on the daily basis. So but they are required in the weekly basis or a monthly basis, that should be keep away from the workplace. So these are the main 4 key points we need to observe whenever we are doing the 1S activity. So I will show you the 1S example of a 1S activity. Now you can see in the before photo, there are the mix of tools are available at a workplace. So there is a more searching time required if someone wants to a specific tool. This is also unsafe condition. There is a possibility of injury of associate or a person during the handling of these tools, and this is also operator fatigue. Now you can see in the after this all the materials sorted out systematically, and this location are also fixed. But this is first of all focus on the segregation of or sorting out of these are the tools. So this is a before and this is a after, so you can understand better how to sorting out the tools in the 1S. Now coming to the 2S, what is the 2S? 2S is the set in order, means systematic arrangement, give everything place and a place for the everything. Now we will see what to do in the 2S activity. So first of all, in the 1S we did sorting out all the items. Now define the storage location for each item, then define location in such a way that it should be easily accessible. And third one is arrange required tools, materials in systematic manner at workplace. And last one is visualize the locations, marking to be done for all the defined locations for to keep the tools, materials at the workplace. So these are comes in under the 2S activity. So let us see, I will show you the one of the example. Now you can see in the before or abnormal photo, mix up of maintenance tools in a common bin. So it is very difficult to search the required tool. So there is a more searching time, and it can be lead to the loss of production if the machine is under the breakdown. So now you can see in the after, all the tools are sorted out, then the systematic arrangement done of all the tools, the specific location provided and identification done to the all the tools. So it will help to get the tool immediate, and it is reduces our production loss. So there are the two both yes are covered. One is means sorting out, and second is a set in order. Okay, now this is one of the another example I would like to show. This is, you can see, this is a common problem. This is a mix of mobile phones in a drawer. So many companies not allowed in the phones, and it kept on the main gate. So it is very difficult to identify the phones and give the correct person on time. So it is a very time consuming activity, and you can see the visual look also very bad. So you can see in the after photograph, there is a specific tray provided, identification to the each and every pocket, easy to find the mobiles due to the systematic arrangement. This is a small change, but it will give the huge benefits. Okay, now coming to the third example, you can see here are the mix up of keys. Okay, so this is also very difficult to identify the keys. Now you can see in the after, the key tracker is provided to keep the keys, identification done systematically, so it is also save our time. So these are the some examples I have shown with related to the 1S and 2S. Now coming to the 3S. 3S nothing but the shine, simply shine without excuses. So what to do in a 3S? So see, in the first S what we did, we have sorted out the items. In the second S we have done the systematic arrangement. Now the time is the shine, means cleaning. So in the 3 years, we need to clean the workplace area and surrounding area, as well as clean the tools and equipments. After cleaning the workplace, ensure that everything is restored to its place. Otherwise, it is no meaning of 1 year and 2 years. And then identify the sources of contamination on the shop floor to eliminate or reduce by taking the countermeasure. So sources of contamination means there is the one water leakage or oil leakage or a hydraulic pipe damage, or means whatever the sources of contamination, from where the contamination is generated, we need to identify and we need to close. So it will maintain our cleanliness at the shop floor. So these 3 activities we need to focus on the 3S. Now coming to the 4S, that is nothing but the standardize to maintain the workplace. So in the 4 years, what to do in 4 years? They first of all establish the standard to maintain the 1 years, 2 years and 3 years. Whatever activities we have did in 1 years, then 2 years and 3 years, how we will ensure that these activities are in place. So for that activity to maintain the 1 years, 2 years, we need to maintain the one standard. So make a check sheet to maintain that and sustain it in 1 years, 2 years and 3 years. Sustain the system by doing the daily audit, weekly audit, monthly audit as per the check sheet. And example, this is one of the example. Make a cleaning schedule for each area and verify all the points are checked as per the defined schedule or as per the check sheet. So it will sustain our 1 years, 2 years and 3 years at the workplace. So now coming to the last years, that is nothing but the sustain the workplace by using the standard. So again, what to do in the 5 years? Make habit to maintain the defined standard for a long time. Then create awareness through trainings among the people to follow the defined rules in the workplace. So this is nothing but the self-discipline. So whatever the activities we have did in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years and 4 years, if we are not maintaining the self-discipline, then there is no meaning of a 4 years. So we need to focus on the self-discipline activity to make our workplace in good condition, in safe condition. So coming to the benefit of a 5-year system, it ensures the human safety as well as the equipment safety at the workplace. It ensures the quality of a product. It is increase the productivity. It reduces the wastages. To improve the morale of the people at the workplace. Then easy to access the tools and equipments. And to reduce the tool searching time. It saves the cost by reducing the waste. And it is also improve the overall equipment efficiency as we are reducing the losses and increasing the production time. So these are the benefits of the 5 years. Now I would like to show some more examples so you can also correlate at your workplace. So this is the office 5 years. You can see there is a mix-up of stationary item in a table drawer. So in after photograph you can see there is a sorting out of a stationary item, setting up in all the items and identified and kept in systematically. So it is searching time also reduced. This is a good visual improvement. This one of the second example. The mix-up of files are kept in a single location. There is a box file, flat file. This is nothing but the waste of time, difficult to search the file, document. Now in after photograph you can see this is a file sorted out, that is a box file separate and flat files are separate, dedicated location defined for the files and also identification done. So see how the impactful and good it's looking. So this is the third example. This is a mix of items like a broom, cables, trays, etc. There is no specific location defined for to keep these items. So after you can see all items are sorted out, dedicated space defined for each item and identification done. This is also one of the example mix-up of all the items like boxes, bins, tables, trays and trolleys. And after photograph you can see the systematic arrangement, how the beautiful look. After you can compare it, you can do the comparison, what is the before now what is after. Now you can see this is the next example, mix-up of ATM cards. Everyone has ATM cards, money we are keeping on our wallet. So there is mix-up of notes also. Now you can see the ATM cards sorted out, notes and ATM cards are kept in the separate pocket. This is one of the best example of 5 years. You can correlate. Now this is one more example, that's a mix of in a car parking. Very difficult to remove the car. You can see how much it is difficult to remove this car. So in after you can see the specific location defined for a car parking, proper gangway also defined. So some benefits like time, we will save a lot of time, no traffic issues, easy to remove the car. This is also one of the examples, same as we seen. So this is also common examples we are facing, like the shoes, slippers are mixed condition in the public places. You can see the after all the shoes and slippers sorted out, location defined and systematic arrangement for the shoes and slippers, how it is looking beautiful. This is example related to the traffic there is no signal leads to the traffic. There is a lot of mix-up of the vehicles, no rule available. In the after you can see the signal is established on the road, visual marking also did, arrow marking also shown, so it resulting there is no traffic. So guys, thank you for watching my video. This is about the basic 5S. So subscribe the channel Lean with YP for the more videos, and again thank you for the watching my videos. Next video we will make on how to do the 5S audit with the check sheet and 7 types of wastage. So thank you so much.